We finally got the pump we were looking for, guys. 2 weeks ago, I told you this pump was gonna happen, and we stuck to our guns. It finally happened. We had to wait this out. Here we are. I'm gonna show you the chart in crypto that is revealing that we got more upside than just this pump. Stick around, you're not gonna want to miss this, guys. I'm gonna make it short for you. This is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. We use Elliott Wave Theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know what Elliott Wave is or how to use it, I got a link in the description below to my short YouTube video. It's like a crash course. It's like 10 minutes long. Watch it. Join the Discord, man. I mean, we're all in there every day, nonstop. I told everyone this move was coming. You know, we planned this ahead of time, guys. This isn't a coincidence. I got long-term charts in here, my long-term analysis for BTC, and you could just go from what I'm posting on BTC and just throw that across all cryptos because they kind of follow Bitcoin and regular markets too. All right, I'll see you in the Discord. Let's get into this. Yeah, we had a nice break of this trend line here tonight. I was not expecting it to happen tonight, but we'll take it. Profits were taken at 28.2. That's what I was going to take profits at anyways. Now the overall structure here, and guys, I'm actually going to go to the Coinbase chart, and also the futures chart is nice because this low here had not been broken on these two charts. Not broken on the futures chart and neither on the Coinbase chart. Holy crap. Neither on the Coinbase chart, right? On your USDT charts, it was broken, but this is more of a clear picture for me personally, so it's kind of what I'm looking at. You know, with the break of this low, it kind of messes things up, and you got to kind of call it some type of a 5-wave structure. But without breaking the low, you can call this an ABC correction here on BTC, right? You can call it that, and it matches, it hits the fibs perfectly. Like, look at that. I mean, right to the 1618. It really does not get any better than that, guys. It's just beautiful. So I can't help but say that we're almost going to try to put in some type of an ABC here in the long-term time frames to match up with our ABC here. And then we're going to look for an impulse to the downside to finish up our A, B, C flat correction of a higher degree, right? We'll just do that. And then we can go off to the races for some more upside. Okay? That's where my head is at. This was my original plan so long ago. This is what I was trading. And then on a lot of the exchanges, this low was broken and it kind of invalidated it for me. So I kind of veered away from that idea, but it's starting to look good again to me. I don't know what to tell you. And the Coinbase chart and the futures chart definitely make me feel more confident in it. Now, real quick before we get into the chart that is revealing there's going to be more upside, and I'm going to show you why, I'm just going to show you on BTC kind of what we're looking at, and then bring it into the other chart. So this is a finished wave, done. I'm looking at either an A, B, C to the upside here, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside here, taking out the high, right? The ABC ain't gonna take out the high, and then we can go with another ABC to the downside and create a WXY to the downside. Or if it's the impulse, then you got your ABC here, and then you can have your impulse to the downside. Okay, those are my two options that I'm going with right now. Long story short, this is not finished in my opinion. Maybe you can have some sort of a flat to the downside here, and then go up, right? But we'll see. This is not finished. I'm expecting this to just work its way on to the upside, at least come and hit these levels here, and then we can turn around. Okay. Now, take profits on the way up. You should always take profits and pay yourself, because who knows what can happen. You know, these are just probabilities. Okay, now what chart is the most revealing to me is the Ethereum chart. It's plain and simple. It's the Ethereum chart. Now, this is just that's an impulse wave. It is, okay? I'm not gonna say it's not. It is. From this impulse, I have a flat correction here. Okay, that's ABC off the impulse, and now I need bare minimum for this to be an ABC to the upside, so I need at least 5 waves here, and we are in the middle of wave 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I need at the minimum for this to look good. All right, if this just decides to just hit to the downside, yeah, this could be maybe some type of a flat like I showed you on Bitcoin, and then we can go up. It's definitely a possibility. I don't really see this just tanking like that. That just doesn't look good to me. It doesn't. We need, in my opinion, more upside here for it to be either an ABC correction or some type of impulse to the upside. For it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take out the high. What would that make it on Ethereum? Let's see. BC. Yeah, I mean, you can technically. Let me pull the fibs on this. Oops. You can have an extended kind of ABC like this. Something like that. And then you can call it, come on, something like this, and then impulse wave to the downside to finish our flat there to match up with Bitcoin's flat. I like that. But long story short, guys, the only reason I wanted to post this video is I really think there's the probabilities are that this is just going to keep impulsing to the upside. Now, let's look at the RSIs, because the RSIs and indicators are pretty topped out here. I'm not going to lie to you. So what I mean, what I've seen happen time and time again when RSIs get kind of topped out and look toppy is it just kind of like, look how thick this momentum is, guys. I can't deny that. I can't deny it. I need this to like curl over. I need RSI to like hit like this, and that would just mean that you're just hitting like that. I mean, that's just what happens. I don't see this just I don't see this just doing something like that. I can't envision a future that occurs. So I'm long. I'm staying long. DXY, as we know, DXY is inversely related to Bitcoin. It looks like it can pump some more. It does, okay? But I'm expecting, let's just say it doesn't pump some more, even though this looks nice for some pumpage. Ultimately, and I posted this in the Discord, I'm playing this as a flat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, bump, 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 something like that. But I want this to hit to the downside and then correct. That's what I want, and then we can start with more downside. So that would imply that Bitcoin hits to the upside, then hits to the downside, and then DXY can go down and test these lows. Bitcoin can go up and test its highs. So we'll see what happens, everyone. Join the Discord, man. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe if you're not already. Like the video. This is not financial advice. I just want to say these are just my opinions. You're responsible for the trades that you put in, your wins and your losses. Good luck, everybody. I'll post again this week if something happens. I try to post every couple of days, and I'll see you next in the next video. I appreciate you watching. Love ya. Bye.